My dear student, today's topic is time and work, a new topic. So, in introduction part, suppose a man can finish a piece of work in 8 days. Then that work done by A or work done by the man in 1 day equal to 1 by 8 part of the whole work. Suppose the work done by the man in 1 day equal to 1 by 6, then whole work complete by the man in 6 days. In general, suppose A can finish a piece of work in n days. Total number of days to finish the work is n. Then work done by the man in 1 day or every day equal to 1 by n part of the whole work. And also, if the 1 day's work in 1 by n part, then the total work finished by the man in n days. Example 1. It is given that A alone can finish a piece of work. A means a person. A alone can finish a piece of work in 12 days and B alone can do it in 15 days. If both of them work together, how much time will they take to finish it? So, solution: time taken by A to finish the work. If the work done by A alone, then time taken by A to finish the work equal to 12 days and time taken by B alone to finish the work equal to 15 days. So, work done by A in 1 day equal to 1 by 12 part of the whole work, and work done by B in 1 day equal to 1 by 5 part of the whole work. So, work done by A plus B in 1 day, if they work together, work done by A plus B in 1 day equal to 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15 equal to 9 by 60 equal to 3 by 20. So, time taken by A plus B to finish the work equal to 20 by 3 days, that is 6 whole 2 by 3 days. Now, exercise 13a, question number 1. Here the question is, Rajan can do a piece of work in 24 days while Amit can do it in 30 days. In how many days can they complete it if they work together? So here, according to the given question, time taken by Rajan to finish the work equal to 24 days. So work done by Rajan in 1 day equal to 1 by 24 part. Time taken by Amit to finish the work equal to 30 days. So work done by Amit in 1 day equal to 1 by 30 part. Now if they work together, so work done by Rajan and Amit in 1 day equal to 1 by 24 plus 1 by 30 part of the whole work. There is 1 day's work of Rajan and 1 day's work of Amit. So sum of these two fractions, that is LCM equal to 120 and numerator 5 plus 4. So 9 by 120 equal to 3 by 40, that is 3 by 40 part. So if they work together, if they means Rajan and Amit, if they work together in 1 day, they can finish 3 by 40 part of the whole work. Now if they work together, 3 by 40 part of the whole work finish in 1 day. Whole part, that is one part of the work, that is whole part, this is whole part of the work finished by them. 1 divided by 3 by 40 days equal to 1 into 40 by 3 days equal to 40 by 3 days equal to 13 whole 1 by 3 days. So if they work together, they can complete the work in 13 whole 1 by 3 days. Next, question number 2. In question number 2, it is given that in your book, Robi can do a piece of work in 15 hours while Raman can do it in 12 hours. How long will both take to do the work if they work together? So Robi can do a piece of work in 15 hours. So work done by Robi in 1 hour equal to 1 by 15 part. It is part, not hours. and Roman can do it in 12 hours. So work done by Roman in 1 hour equal to 1 by 12 part. Therefore, if they work together, work done by Robbie and Roman in 1 hour equal to 1 by 15 plus 1 by 12. Their 1 hour's work, sum of the 1 hour's work, 1 by 15 plus 1 by 12. LCM equal to 60. So 15 4 just 60 plus 12 5 just 60. So 4 plus 5 9 by 60 equal to, after simplification, common divisor of 9 and 60 is 3. So 3 3 is 9, 3 20 is 60. So 3 by 20 part. So if they work together in 1 hour, they can finish 3 by 20 part of the whole work. Now in unitary method, 3 by 20 part of whole work finished by them in 1 hour. Whole part of the work finished by them equal to 1 divide 3 by 20 hour, that is equal to 1 into 20 by 3 hours, that is 20 by 3 hours. So 6 whole 2 by 3 hours, 6 hour plus 2 by 3 hours. So 6 hours plus 2 by 3 hours converted to minutes, so multiply by 60. 3 20 is 60, 20 into 2 40. So 6 hours 40 minutes. So if they work together, they can complete the work in 6 hours 40 minutes. Now in question number 3, it is given in the book, A and B working together can finish a piece of work in 6 days, while A alone can do it in 9 days. How much time will B alone take to finish it? That means here A plus B working together, they can finish the work in 6 days. That means if A and B work together, they can finish the work in 6 days. Therefore, A plus B is 1 day's work equal to 1 by 6 part of the whole work. And A alone can do it in 9 days. If A alone do the work, then it take time 9 days. So work done by A alone in 1 day equal to 1 by 9. Now B is 1 day's work. B is 1 day's work equal to A plus B is 1 day's work minus B is 1 day's work, that is 1 by 6 minus 1 by 9. LCM is 18. 6 3 are 18. 9 2 are 18. So 3 minus 2 by 18. So 3 minus 2 1 by 18. So B alone can finish the work in 18 days. Next, question number 5. It is given that A, B and C can do a piece of work in 10 days, 12 days and 15 days respectively. How long will they take to finish it if they work together? So A alone can finish the work in 10 days. So A's 1 day's work equal to 1 by 10. B alone can finish the work in 12 days. B's 1 day's work 1 by 12. And C alone can finish the work in 15 days. So C's 1 day's work 1 by 15. So if they work together, A plus B plus C's 1 day's work equal to sum of their 1 day's work 1 by 10 plus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 15. So LCM equal to 60. So 10 6 is 60, 12 5 is 60, 15 4 is 60. So 6 plus 5 plus 4, 15 by 60 equal to 1 by 4. So if they work together, 1 by 4 part of the work finished by them in 1 day. 1 by 4 part of the work finished in 1 day. Whole part of the work finished in 1 divided by 1 by 4. So equal to 1 into 4 by 1, that is 4 days. So if they work together, they can finish the work in 4 days. Now question number 6. A can do a piece of work in 24 hours, while B alone can do it in 16 hours. If A, B and C working together can finish it in 8 hours, in how many hours C alone can finish the work? So according to the given condition, A alone can finish the work in 24 hours. It is given. So A is 1 hour's work equal to 1 by 24. B alone can finish the work in 16 hours. So B is 1 hour's work equal to 1 by 16. So if they work together, A and B's 1 hour's work equal to 1 by 24 plus 1 by 16. That 1 by 24 plus 1 by 16. So it is A's 1 hour's work and it is B's 1 hour's work. So sum of these two fraction equal to LCM 48. So 24 2s are 48, 16 3s are 48. So 2 plus 3 5 by 48. So if A, B, C working together can finish the work in 8 hours, it is given. So A, B, C is 1 hour's work equal to 1 by 8. Now C's 1 hour's work equal to A plus B plus C's 1 hour's work minus A plus B's 1 hour work equal to 1 by 8 minus 5 by 48, and its LCM is 48. So 8 6 are 48 and 48 1s are 48. So 1 into 5 5. So 6 minus 5 1 by 48. That means A's 1 hour's work equal to 1 by 48. So 1 by 48 part of the whole work finished by C in 1 hour. Whole part of the work finished by C in 1 divided by 1 by 48 hours, that is 48 hours. So C can complete finish the piece of work in, C can complete or finish the work alone in 48 hours. Thank you.